Hi guys, we're in week 3 of our DPI packet. So we're going to look at day 1. You start off the day by reading 20 to 30 minutes. Now for reading, we have writing first. If the child is finished reading a fiction book, have them create a new ending. If a child is reading a nonfiction book, have them write in a complete sentence one new fact about what they learned. Now reading, they want you to explore how the child gathers information from the pictures in their book. If your child is reading fiction, ask them day 1 questions about their reading. And then if your child is reading nonfiction, you can go down to day 2 and ask these questions. So this is nonfiction questions, and then this is fiction questions. All right, so let's go over to math. We have measurement and data. So we're going to be thinking about time for today. They want you to make your child create a schedule for the day. The child can make a list of things that they want to accomplish in the morning and then in the afternoon. Make sure the child puts AM or PM next to the time. Have the child check off each task on the schedule and see how close they were to completing the task on time. So my schedule for my day may be like wake up at 7, and then at 8, I want to make sure that I have the video sent out to you guys. At 9, I may want to contact some parents. At 10, I may want to go outside and take a breath of fresh air. So your schedule may look like that. Of course, your child will probably create a schedule that has something to do with this packet, or they can also create a schedule that doesn't have anything to do with school. It could be like things they want to do, such as play games or go outside or whatever. So they can make a schedule for that. AM or PM. AM is, of course, morning, and PM is afternoon or night. After that, they want you to practice with your numbers. Skip counting by 5s, 10s, 100s to get to 1,000. So in 2nd grade, we only go up to 1,000 when we count by anything. Then they want you to skip count by 5s. Make sure you start at different numbers, not just at 5. So you can start at like 15 and go all the way up to 55. And they want you to skip count by 10s, and they give you some examples of that as well, and the skip counting by 100s. Okay, now we're looking at science for this week. Last week we had social studies. Have the child divide a paper plate or a paper into 4 equal parts and label each part egg, butterfly, chrysalis, or caterpillar. So this is the life cycle of a butterfly. So the first part would be an egg, and then a caterpillar, then a chrysalis, and then a butterfly. So there's some great vocabulary here with chrysalis. That's like the little pouch that the caterpillar gets inside and then turns into a butterfly. I will be sending you a video of this that goes along with the butterfly life cycle. Discuss with the child the life cycle of the butterfly. After the discussion, have the child collect items from the outdoors that can be used to create a model of the life cycle of a butterfly. So if they wanted to create how a butterfly looks, they might get a stick and then put leaves for the wings to make a butterfly. Have the child draw and use the items collected from outside to create a pictorial representation of each part of the life cycle. So you're just going to draw a picture into the 4 parts of the paper or the plate that you've made. And lastly, you're going to move. The goal is 30 to 60 minutes, and they give you some great ideas. One that I really like is to play Simon Says. It's simple and kids can play together. Or you can put on music and get your house cleaned up a little bit. All right. Thank you for listening. I hope you're doing well. Bye.